Welcome back, everyone. I'm MCCO135. Today we'll be attempting to clean our PlayStation 4 controllers. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I have all the stuff I need here. There is one slight issue that I'm worried about is if I break this. But as you can see here, if I bring up my phone flashlight, it's like, let's see if I can get the angle. It's really bad in some of these areas. So my goal here today is to clean all of this out. I have all the stuff I need here. We got gloves, just in case. We have some Q-tips. We have cotton balls to dry this stuff out. Where are they? Here they are. We got some toothpicks. That's a Q-tip and a toothpick. We got these here. Let's see. I gotta move all the stuff out of the way now. And we also have, of course, the most important part, what we're using to actually clean this. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I did watch like one YouTube tutorial of how to do this. We're gonna get the gloves on now. I have not done this in my life, and I'm absolutely terrified of how this is gonna go. Chat, please help me out if I do need it, because I'm like really terrified right now. I'm not gonna lie. So if I like break this stuff, I'm not gonna be streaming for a while. I can't get the gloves on. It's too tight. There we go. One glove in. I gotta get the other one. Come on. So hard to open it up. Here we go. Oh, these gloves smell like hot plastic. Alright, so we have the controller here, as you can see. So what we want to do is fill this right here. We're going to put it into a little container I have. I just took whatever small bowl I have. So we're just going to move all this stuff over a little bit. But this is where it gets real. So now we have this. Just bought this bottle fresh. Just gonna pop this open real quick. Say hello to the outside window. Alright. Oh no, my stand thing fell. I have like a thing like jamming up my stand so it doesn't like tip over. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna pop this open. Gotta take the cap off. How do I do this? Do I want to like break the seal with it? I have like a seal to break. I'm not sure if I should break with the toothpick or just like full on open it up, since it's really hard to get in there with gloves. Alright, hold up. Come on. Alright, toothpick it is. There we go. There we go. Yeah, smells like doctor's office. Get like a decent hole. And we're gonna fill this up. You know the smell like before they give you shots at doctors, they like rub that thing on you? That's exactly what it smells like. Alright, that should be good. Oh my god. Oh god, it's all over me. Crap. Alright, so we do have a little bit in here. We are going to, like, right now we're just going to brush this off with cotton ball, get everything that we can that's on or off right now. I don't want to turn it on by accident, so I gotta go downstairs and turn it off. I gotta remove, like, all the little dust pieces and stuff. Like, as you can see, let me get my... Right there, it's like all grimy a little bit. Same thing over here, right on the seam. Up on top, it's not as bad, but like as you can see, like right up here, where it's like right in this little crevice, like, it's not that bad, but, like, down here where the controllers are, you can see, like, a ton of dirt. That's what we're going to get into today. Alright. I'm going to first, let's take this. I have a cardboard box here just so I don't spill everything out. Alright, so we're just going to take this. I'm trying to get, like, a camera view. Here we go. There we go. I can see a ton of this stuff coming out. See all the little bits of pieces coming out. Now you can clean the inside with this, but I really don't want to do that since I watched like a 10-minute video and they said like remove battery, remove what else? They said like remove batteries, remove the connector cables. I'm not doing that. I have no clue where this. They said the parts can fall out. Just put those to the side. I am in no way doing that. So I'm just gonna forget about that entirely. Just gotta clean all this out. I don't want to like scratch it up really. All right. Let's see if we can clean out in here. Gotta get the camera angle. Got a little bit of stuff over here. A little dirty up there. Nothing I can't clean with some isopropyl alcohol. Alright. That's good for now. Just gonna clean in here now. This one doesn't seem that bad on this side. Ow. Poke myself. Alright. Seems decent, I guess. So right now, I'm going to get my... Alright. So, we have the parts we have to clean right here on the D-pad. The buttons a little bit, I guess. And my main concern is the joysticks, since they are absolutely disgusting underneath. Like, from over here, it's really bad under there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Like, from over here, you can see. Let me see. There we go. Maybe you guys can see that. I'm not sure. So it's right underneath. I think you guys saw that, yeah? Alright. Right now, we are going to break open our Q-tips. Got one right here. Wish I can zoom out on this. It's so annoying just like work with this setup. It's not the best right now, but I'm making this work. So we have the controller here, alcohol right here. And let's see how this goes. I'm really terrified, but if things go south, nothing in one of these can't fix, hopefully. Oh boy. Now we're getting into it. So I'm just gonna like, they say squish it down, but I don't think I can do it with this type. So I'm just gonna like get into here a little bit with the dry cotton swab. Alright. So we are getting a little bit of stuff off, but we're just gonna dip it into our alcohol. Alright. That seems like a lot. Alright. That seems to be working. so you guys can see like where it's getting wet and stuff from this. I wish I could like move my camera back a little bit, but I'm at the end of my desk, so maybe we can just like move this back. I need to move my camera angle up, but it's not gonna work because I have to actually hold it. And maybe I can just like start putting things down there. Alright, that works. Alright, so we're just gonna take this, wipe down the sides. I really hope this doesn't break the controller. Alright, so we're gonna dip it again. After we dry it off a little bit. Don't want to accidentally turn it on. Alright, back into the alcohol. I want to get an insane amount. Alright, so now we're going to work on the D-pad up here. So it's got to work this in. I really hope this doesn't break it. Like, I mean, I have another controller to use, but that one's also having, like, connection problems and stuff. Smells like doctor's office. So bad. I'll dry this off. Alright, the button's still. Alright, just gonna try to get it off as much as we can. There we go. Like, get in the little creases over here. Like on the sides of the buttons. And that's where the little bits of dirt and grime get in. Alright. I think we're good. Oh my god, my friend just texted me, replying to my Instagram story and sent a full-on paragraph. Jeez. Alright. We got this over here now. We got all the little buttons. We're gonna work on these. Because these aren't as... Oh, wait. I didn't even do this joystick yet. Hold up. Gotta clean off the joystick. You have to move it around a little bit to get out all of the little bits around the edges so it can soak into the actual computer components, I guess. I did search this up. It says to use it. They also said use rubbing alcohol. They said isopropyl. They said mineral oil, which I can't find anywhere. I went to like a store and they searched it up on their website. I got staining supplies, so don't really need that. Alright, we're just gonna do a little quick coat on the other one again, since this one was the really bad one. Alright. This is not looking too bad. But now we have to work on the back end. Like, it's really bad. I'm using my elbows right now to work my phone. I got my flashlight on. So as you can see, like, around here, it's, like, really bad. Same thing with the screws up on top. Hold up, I gotta move the camera. So you can see the other screw, like, right there. It's really bad. It's not good. Let's see. So I guess we can just, like, go all in Right now, I'm going to take the toothpick and just, like, go into here. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's only like an inch. You guys can see all that, right? That's only on the top. Why am I cleaning my controllers anyway? I've been having like really bad controller drift problems where it just like starts going off by itself, pressing random buttons. And also, they said cleaning it would fix some of that. And to be honest, I haven't cleaned this since 2015, so you know. It says to clean your controllers when you need it, and I've never cleaned this since the PlayStation was set up. My god, this top is disgusting. I sit there, and I do this. What? Oh my god. And there's still more. I can still see, like, the brown part, like, around the edge. Alright, gonna go back in. Come on. It's all getting in the corner, and I can't get it out. I haven't cleaned since, like, 2014. Yeah, I've never cleaned this before. So that's why I'm doing it now. Oh boy, I'm removing the sticker. That's not good. Alright, I'm going to dip it into our isopropyl alcohol again. Isopropyl, I have no clue how to say it. So now we're just going to hopefully not break this. Alright, I dipped it on both sides. That's not good. I'm so sorry for my bad camera angles with this. I'm still working on, like, finding ways to actually do this better. I'm gonna take our cotton ball, pat it dry so we can, like, get some of it in there. And take our... Looks shiny. Now it does. It's gonna get into the bottom. So when I'm done with this, I'm gonna do a stream again and just, like, play the games with this, and I beg that it doesn't, like, break more, since I've never done something like this before, and it's really, like, freaking me out that this doesn't work. But alright, so now we have the challenging parts. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, so I'm going to open up the flashlight again. Come on. Using my elbows to work my phone since the gloves did not work very well. There we go. Right on that seam, right here. This is absolutely disgusting. From, like, the angle I'm looking at this, I can see every line down there. Same thing on this side. This side's even worse. So that's what we are cleaning next. God, it smells so bad. My God. I think we're just going to go all in right now with the toothpick. Just going to, like, clean. Oh my God, it's all coming out. It's got to get down underneath. Ow. That was not smart of me. That's a really bad camera angle, but I'm trying here. Let's see if I'm getting anything. There we go. Got a little big chunk out right there. You guys can see that? I'm not sure. It's the way the light is. Ah, there you see it. going back into the alcohol. And clean this down. I really hope this solves my problems with the PlayStation, but you know, let's hope for the best. Still see a little bit of stuff down there. There we go. Look at that. Getting this stuff out of there. Jeez. Alright, no problem. I'm just going to continue going down the line. What game will we be playing next? I did see you say BRB, so I will answer that when you're back. I'm just gonna get like a better light view right now for myself. It's looking a little better. Yeah, I can still see marks around the edge down here, so let's see if we can get back in. Alright, you're back. I've seen your message saying what game will I be playing next. I'm not sure if it'll be... I've been playing games I've been having like really bad controller drift problems, so maybe like it's either between Fortnite, Warzone. Minecraft wasn't that bad playing off camera. Oh wait, no, that was actually really rough. So I'm gonna be trying like a bunch of different games. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do them all on camera since it's gonna be all a while then. Just gotta get down into here. I feel like I'm breaking it, like removing like glue from it, but I think we're doing decently, especially for my first time with this. Oh my god, that sound does not sound fun going across there, but it's cleaning. Just gonna wet it a little bit. You guys can see this. I'm just gonna soak it in. Alright, that's good, I think. Let's work on the other side now. Where did my cute toothpick go? Let's say you're playing, the games you play are way more different from what I play. I have been playing some interesting games. See if there's anything else in here. I don't want to do anything with the USBs, since that's like, right, shards and stuff, but... That's actually fairly clean in there, I'm not gonna lie. From what I can see. There's some dirt that I got off from before, that's just on my desk now. Apart from like the dirt like around the... Don't break it. I'll try not to, and Nightbot, chill out. Like, my fear right now is breaking it. Like, I was using the alcohol right here, now I see, like, marks, but I'm pretty sure that was there already. I'm pretty sure that's just it drying up. Like, yeah, I'm scratching it off right here. See if I can actually... Let's see if I can get it out. Come on. My god, this thing is disgusting. Like, all of this stuff right here came out of here. That's absolutely crazy. Alright, can this clear this off? Ah, that like, dried up real quick. Oops. Well, good news, the controller still works. It does look clean. Looks very clean now from before. It definitely looks better, but now I gotta turn off my PlayStation. But to do that, I need to use the controller, which I don't want to do anything with, so I don't want to screw this up. Ah, yeah. The buttons back here are a little rough. You can see, like, right in the crease where the button and the body meet. And the PlayStation controller has turned off? Not sure if that's a good thing, like it just timed out, or it's really bad. Yeah, that seems to be clearing this up a little bit. Let's press the button in. All that dust coming out. God, I'm so nervous. Let's clean out the back here. I actually can hear me doing it now. I've never done a stream like this. Alright. Gotta go. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you have a good day. There's like a little piece right here that I can't seem to get. I think I chipped it. Oh well. No one's gonna see that. And I gotta get the dust off, and now we gotta do it on this stick. Or, what's it called? Trigger, I should say. This one doesn't seem as bad. What about down here? This one's pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie. Where's my alcohol Q-tip thing? Not that side, that's wet. None of it's wet now, gotta go back in. That doesn't look half bad. Now, time for the fun part of doing the screws. Since these are really bad. You can see, like, the grime just building up on it. Where's the other screw? There it is. I gotta turn the flashlight off now. Alright. I'm gonna get this. Now I gotta get into here, here, up here, and down here. And if all else fails and this doesn't work, I can always do this. And what's it called? Reset the controller. Right. Oh, this is coming off real easy over here. Well, where I'm hitting at least. Since it's kind of small. Gotta move my box a little closer so I don't get any alcohol on my desk. And the problem is if I strip the screws, then we're gonna have some major issues with this. I'm just gonna wash that off. Get my, what's it called, my Q-tip in here. That is looking really good. I might go downstairs in a minute and maybe grab like a microfiber towel to really get all the dust off. That looks, all I'm gonna lie, turned out pretty decent. I gotta do it on this side now, so I think we're gonna start from the bottom one, since this is a little worse. Gotta move my phone out the way. Can we like focus down here or not? There we go. The camera's in focus a little bit. Come on. The fun thing is I get to do this again. I don't know, maybe like Monday or something for my other controller. So if you guys want to see me clean my second one, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I have a Discord server, which is linked in my About page, because for some reason it's decided to just like remove my entire description from this device. I have it on my phone though, but my Discord is linked in the About page of my channel. You guys can be notified when I do go live. Something does not seem right. Did I get rid of the grip? No, right? It's over here still has it. Oh no, I think that's just for me dropping it or something, since it's on both sides the exact same place. Alright, should be good. Now I gotta do the top one up here. The bad part is if I accidentally miss and get into this hole right here, that means I then reset this controller and I have to connect it back to my console somehow, which I'm not 100% sure to do. Just gonna get everything out of here. The good news is it still lights up, so, you know, there's a plus. It looks a lot better now, I'm not gonna lie.